Welcome to PreyoPhonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to delete a conversation on Snapchat but can't find the option? Today, I'll show you how to clear and remove chats from your Snapchat feed instantly. Step 1. Open Chats tab. Open the Snapchat app and go to your Chats tab. Find the conversation you want to remove. Step 2. Open Chat Options. Press and hold the chat to open a pop-up menu. This will show additional chat settings. Step 3. Access Chat Settings. Tap Chat and Notification Settings from the list. This is where you control chat visibility. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Clear the Chat tab. Clear from Chat feed to remove the conversation. This will instantly delete it from your chat list. Step 5. Confirm action. Tap Clear to confirm your choice. Repeat the same steps for any other chats you want to remove. And that's it. Now you know how to delete Snapchat chats from your conversation list. Keep your chat feed clean and organized anytime. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to PreyoPhonie for more smart, step-by-step tech tutorials every day.